Back to Peterborough magnet fishing. Lovely sunny afternoon, not much wind. I'm going to try the end of the embankment. Guy I was magnet fishing the other week with in one of my previous videos, Vinny, from his Facebook group Drag the Water. He's been down this end of the steps where this old bridge is. He did say there's some bigger bits in here that his magnet couldn't keep hold of. Hoping not to get too many big bits today, but I'll give it a go and see what I get. Vinny might be down later, I don't know. If he is, you'll see him in the video. If not, it'll be just myself. I'll bring you back when I get some up. Well, first little dip. Don't know if that's a part of an old set square set, like a compass protractor. Don't know, too brittle. I think if I try and bend it, it's going to break. But I'll bring it back. It's hooked onto something, and I think that's a scaffolding pole. It's either a scaffolding pole or a pole from one of the bridges. I'll bring it back. It's on something again. I wish it was. Nice piece of rebarb and a bike frame. Okay, I'll bring it back. Double-handled fishing rod handle. Metal washer and a bolt. And a penny. It's dragging something heavy, whether it's just a log, whether it stays on is a different mass off. See if anything's on there. I don't think it is. I think it's come off. Oh, unless it keeps digging into the ground. Alright, just a load of manky nails. Don't know if that's an old key or some decorative fastenings. Again, I'll take it home and have a look. And then I've got a rubber hose. Rubber hose with metal threads on. So that's an old gas pipe type thing with the old threads on this end. I'll bring you back. Show you some finds. I've got to keep remembering not to put my magnet too near the camera because it switches off. Square plate. Another little bit of metal. Not sure what that is. Round top of something, but there's a fair bit of weight to it. Don't know whether it's a burner to an oven or something. Load of nails. A bike chain guard off a rally. Was nice and shiny metallic blue. Not anymore. Add that to the bucket. Spam key. Bottle top. And a flip phone. Not what sure make that is. Is it a Motorola flip phone? One of the old razors? Don't know. I'll give that a clean up later and have a quick look. No, it's an LG. Motorola. LG Motorola, is it? Right, I'll bring you back. Got a cheap Swiss Army knife, 2 blades. Oh, I think they were scissors. The scissors have just fallen apart, but the knife blade's still alright. And a fisherman's rod rest. What a good day for him down here, whoever it was. Right, I'll bring you back. I've got a few more little finds. Part of a scaffolding clamp, nothing major. A cog, which I think is out of the gas meter box. And just a piece of metal. Okay, I'll bring it back. It's onto something heavy again. Whether it stays on, it's coming up at the moment. Looks like a curved lid to something. No idea. It's definitely a lid to something. Could be a lid to a litter bin or where it lifts up. No idea. I'll give that a clean off and I'll bring you back. Right, I think this is just a load of rebarb. Piece of rebarb and a load of nails. A few little finds while I've been casting. Didn't bring you back every throw. Some twisted wire. Not sure what that's off. Some sort of fencing. A collar. I'm presuming that's what it is. Or a belt. Got a buckle on it. That's was buried in the silt. It's got a loop on that end and a hook. I'm presuming it's an old fisherman's weighing scale. Put your weigh bag on that end and there must be a gauge on there somewhere. Might try and clean it up, you never know. An old bike pump. Obviously It's no good to anybody now. Okay, I'll bring you back. It's releasing a lot of bubbles here and it's heavy. No idea. Think I'm working it. Yep, it's loose. No, it's still on. An old Carling can. Just a couple of nails. And CG Godfrey Limited. We apologise for any inconvenience caused by these works. Okay, they must be doing some work on the bridge or these steps. And it's their sign to apologise for any inconvenience. It was double-sided, but obviously it's only one-sided now. I'll give that a quick wash down. Gonna have to head back to the car with this lot and then start again. Okay, I'll bring you back. It's hooked onto something heavy, but it keeps jumping off. It's coming up slowly, working it out the sill. Nah, it's off. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, whatever it kept sticking on, there's not much metal in it, I don't think. So I've gone and got my grappling hook on it, and it's still stuck. A lot of bubbles. It's on again, but it keeps slipping off even with the grappling hook. gave up on that big item near me bucket. The grappling hook was sliding along it, so unless it's a concrete slab with a small bit of metal in, I can try another day, but my magnet just got stuck on the side, so I'm leaving it, and I found something else, hopefully just here. Right, hopefully third time lucky. Loads of bubbles. Right, that definitely looks like an oar. The rudder. That would attach to a pole somehow with a bracket. With that bracket. Yep. Oh, before I say I'll bring you back, off camera, fishing rest. Bungee cord, top of a coffee jar, vanilla, probably a vanilla milkshake from, is that Costa Coffee? Other coffee brands are available. An old black fishing lure, it's a butterfly, not butterfly, ladybird. It's a pair of nail clippers. Fishermen's used it to obviously cut their line. It's rusted, so it's broken. But yeah, that's a nice little was a nice decorative nail file. Got a screwdriver. A big spanner. That'll clean up nicely. And I'm presuming it's a hammer head and a pickaxe at the same time. That's a flat bladed pickaxe. And then that's the, obviously the hammerhead. Right, I'll have a couple more throws. I'll bring it back if I find anything. Right, last throw, then I'm going to call it a day. Not sure of the time, but it's getting on. Not many finds today. Got the gas meter box, the rudder for the boat, general bits and bobs, the big spanner, and that sign, a construction sign. Well, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, you'll get notified when I upload videos. And let's see what we've got on this throw. It's jumped on something, so if it jumps off I might put it back in and get it out. Just have a couple of throws on this. I think that's going to jump off. Oh, always happens when you say last throat. Right, I'm going to give it a few more throws on this, see if I can get it off. Right, that's just jumped off, so I will persevere with that item. I think it's loose. If not, I'll have a few more goes. Try and clean it off a little bit. It's a big bolt. It's got threads on this end. It's got threads on this end. Then it's smooth. Then it's got threads on this end with a bolt. Double-ended threaded bar. I'll bring it back. Well, that was it. My last throw, and finally it's a bent mooring pin. That end you anchor into the ground, and that end you tie your boat off. I also found, wherever it's gone, a little bullet. No, not sure what size it is. Have to clean the end up and have a look when I get home. Yeah, I can't read that. I'll have to take it home and read it. The only other bits and bobs I've pulled out, part of a glass jar, metal lid, an extension sprocket, or yeah, whatever it is. I think you've seen the spark plug, and another, I think, plastic handle to a rod rest or a little landing net. Then the usual bottle caps. Right, that's it for today. I'll probably pop back here day in the week. Yeah, I'll catch you all next week. Don't forget, keep using the dippers and scrappers. This location, there is a car park directly up this boat ramp, so there's no excuse. You can take it to the boat, the car park, get them to collect it from there. Yep, I'll see you next time. Alright, I know I keep saying I'm going to go and I'll see you next week, but while I've got half a bag of rubbish, I'm just going to go round the boat dock and pick the cans up, because they're only going to get kicked in the water. Yep, I'll catch you all next time. Stay safe and I'll see you next week.